Heyo, boss, and welcome back. We got the porn music going, so you know it's going to be good. Chef has a question. He wants to know if you want to learn how to turn ordinary drumsticks from that to this. And I know the answer is yes, so stick around, because today Chef has a great dinner for you. He is going to show you how to make some spicy honey fried chicken drumsticks. Let's get cooking. The first thing Chef's going to do is start the brine. So, pot on the stove, medium heat. He's got some water, he's got some sugar, and he's got some salt. And he's going to stir this in and cook this on medium heat until the sugar and the salt dissolve thoroughly into the water. So that while that's on medium heat, Chef's going to get a small bowl and he's going to add some honey. He's going to add some white vinegar, some hot sauce, and some chili flakes. He's going to mix this together and then put this in the fridge. This is going to be your glaze towards the end, but it's good to get it set up now. Of course, Chef's got his beautiful fresh drumsticks. He's going to cook up about half of these and he'll do something with the other half for another video. So he's going to go ahead and wash these down, wipe them down. And now that that brine is cooled down, he took it off the stove, let it cool. You're going to take those drumsticks and you're going to go put this right in the brine. You're going to put this brine in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours. And what that's going to do is it's going to help season these, and the sugar is going to coat kind of to them, as well as it's going to keep these chicken legs nice and juicy for when you cook them. So, worked out. Go ahead and check out some brines. You're going to really like them. Okay, so when it's getting close to the end of that 4 hours, we can start to prep again. Chef has flour and a little bit of salt. This is going to be his first base coat. Then just mix this together. Very simple. Put that aside. Next, some more flour. And he's going to add some cornstarch to this. And his seasonings. So a little dried mustard. A little bit of smoked paprika. And a little bit of dried oregano, and you can add other spices if you'd like, totally up to you. And go ahead and mix this in. This is going to be your second dredging. We're going to do 2. And don't forget, all the ingredients will be listed down below for everything. Okay, last but not least, we're going to get our wet ingredients. So Chef's got his buttermilk. And all he's going to add to it is just some honey. And then he's going to mix these together as well. Okay, so it's been about 4 hours. He took his chicken out, and he's going to get ready to make his little workstation. Here it is. He's got your chicken, your first dredge, your wet, your second dredge, and your oil at 350 degrees. And in case you're wondering why we call ourselves the cooking corner, now you know why. There's our corner. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to dredge that chicken leg in the flour. Make sure you get it all, and then give it a shake. And if you want to dredge all of them together, you can. It'll make it easier down the way. The next step, of course, you saw me put them in the buttermilk for just a couple seconds. You're not going to keep them there long. And then move them right to that second dredge. So dip them in the buttermilk, and then bring them over to the second dredge. And again, make sure they're nice and right in that flour. 350 degrees, everyone. Go ahead and put these in very gently. And you can put a couple in, maybe 3 to 4, depending on the size of your pot. Now, chicken legs are going to take about 8 to 10 minutes to cook, even if they're fully thawed. And of course, you never want to fry anything frozen, so they better be fully thawed. When the chicken legs are done, what Chef's going to do is going to put them on this small pan, because he's going to put them in a small oven to keep them warm. It's going to keep them warm while the other ones are cooking, and it's going to keep them crispy. It's going to actually make them crispier. So continue that. And of course, keep going. Again, you want chicken fully cooked, so always make sure they're at 165 degrees if you have a thermometer. 8 to 10 minutes or more. And there they are in the oven as they're cooking along. Keep it nice and crispy. So just a little tip from Chef to you. And here they are. So Chef's going to plate these up. Look at those beautiful chickens. Oh, golden brown. Along with that music, you can't go wrong. Okay, so with the spoon, Chef's going to go ahead. He's going to take out his glaze. And he said take it out a little bit early so it warms up. And then just glaze your chicken. Oh, baby. just like so. And there you have it. You got some sweet, you got some spicy, and you got your drumsticks. So there you go, some fried drumsticks. We're excited to finally make some fried chicken. We did a sandwich and we did wings, of course, but this is a drumstick meal here. We really enjoyed it. These came out really good, and you can have some of that glaze on the side for dipping sauce. So check out this video along with some other ones. We hope you do try this. They came out delicious. They were really, really good. Don't forget, everyone, cooking should be fun. Have fun doing it.